Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of mine, and this one is on how not to break a nail. I have a few tips that I personally use, so I gathered them all into one video, and let's begin. When it comes to our nails, honestly, we cannot stress about it. If nail is going to break, it's going to break, and honestly I feel there is so much to life than just nails. But since here we love nails, and I love nails myself, I love having long nails, I like having short nails, I love taking care of myself, and honestly everything else, I love having pretty nails. So no matter what you're doing, there's a little tip that you guys can do just to prevent your nails from literally breaking, and don't use your nails as tools. So yes, obviously I do everyday activities. I even work out, and I work out 3 times or 4 times a week just because it's a great outlet for me and I really love it. But when it comes to working out or anything that you have to do with your hands, try your best to not use your nails directly to grab things or to push things, especially if you want to push some things. You don't want to use like your nails to push buttons. You wanna use anything else. Also, when it comes to filing your nails, you wanna use something that is extremely gentle, because the regular nail files can actually tear your nails. So I do use crystal nail files, and I have a video on, like, full-on detailed video on how to file your nails the right way. So I will have everything listed in description box below, so you can check it out once you finish watching this video, because I have videos that are specifically made on topics and they have full-on details. So I really hope that clears up. And basically you just want to be very gentle and file in one direction, even though some people say it's okay to file in both directions. I don't know, I just feel like ever since I have been doing this, I haven't gotten any tears like when I did in one direction and using crystal files. So I don't know, that's just personal preference, but I think that actually helps. This is the biggest tip that I can give you. It's a next tip that I'm about to say. It's something that I personally noticed myself. It's when you apply nail polish, you wanna wrap the tip in every single coat you do. Meaning the free edge of your nails, it's something that usually breaks very fast, at least to me. So you wanna wrap the tip, and you also wanna wrap the sides of your nails. Ever since I started doing this, my nails never been longer, and here is the reason why. Because our nails, like, they get throughout the day or throughout the months, however long you keep your nails, they get a tear. So what that means, it means that you literally like hit other objects. And I always notice this, that when I wrap my tips, I can see when I'm removing my nail polish, I can see that that wrap that I make usually just fades off. And what that means, if you didn't have that wrap, that would be your nail. Your nail would literally be exposed, and you would like make a tears in your nails and you would break your nails. But instead of that, you're giving like wear and tear on the wrap. I hope that makes sense, because English is not my first language, but I do try my best to explain to you guys. Another tip that most people do know, and I feel like every nail art person here is talking about it, it's to actually apply nail oils. I have a video on how to grow nails for beginners, and results are seen in the week. And I get underneath that video so many questions. Do we apply nail oil when we have nail polish on? Yes, you do. You apply it whenever you can, as much as you can, because nails love nail oil. And what I do get the most is whenever you hit your nail, if you don't apply nail oil, your nails are gonna get very dry and brittle, and your nail will snap off. But if you do use nail oils, that will not happen. I know, because I have had that happen to me so many times. But now when I hit my nails, they don't really break, they just bend over because they have flexibility from nail oil. So yes, you're welcome. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments below. I love hearing back your feedback. I just want to say thank you for amazing feedback on my nail show video where I talked about my content, and so many of my viewers supported me. My heart is full. I really hope you guys continue to be with me and we continue to grow and make this our YouTube family. I hope you guys know to never let anyone dull your sparkle, and I will talk with you in my other video. Until new one, watch some of my other videos because I have a lot of them on my channel, and bye for now.